today we're going to be making our own Cajun spice blend from spices that you likely have in your pantry already. So to make your Cajun spice blend, first you're going to need a jar and your small measuring spoons. You'll also need garlic powder, cayenne pepper, smoked or sweet paprika, cumin, thyme, oregano, salt, pepper, onion powder, and coriander. Okay, so to get started, let's open up our jar. And our first spice is garlic powder. We're going to need 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. We'll also need a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne powder. We'll need 1 teaspoon of smoked or sweet paprika. We're using smoked paprika today just because we like the depth of flavor. And these are just 1/2 teaspoons to fit into the jar, but again, we just need the 1 teaspoon. We'll also need a teaspoon of cumin. A teaspoon of thyme, we'll also need a teaspoon of oregano. A teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of pepper, a teaspoon of onion powder, and last but not least, we'll also need a teaspoon of ground coriander. And there you have it, your own homemade Cajun spice blend. So all that's left to do now is put the lid on, give it a shake, and use it as you please. This tastes fantastic on potatoes also. Cheers to good food and good company.